Hey, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Say hey to the little one. He's getting big. Yep. I am now 38 weeks. And I know you guys have not seen any of my journey being pregnant. And that I apologize, but don't apologize for. Because, yes, whatever. Anywho, yep, so I'm 38 weeks today. And he's definitely getting very low. And he's about to be here. Oh, wait, no. I'm not 38 weeks yet. I'm 37 weeks. I'm sorry. Scratch that. I just have a haul for you guys today. I'm just going to show you what I got. I'm going to just get to the point. Okay. So I'm going to get to the point. So this is stuff that I've gotten from my registry. My family has been a huge help. Family always comes through. So the first thing, I got some bottles. Anti-colic. I guess that's supposed to help with. It's supposed to be anti-air bubbles, basically. We gonna see. But I got him some bottles. And one thing I want to say, I'm very grateful for everyone who has supported me in getting stuff for the baby. I'm very thankful. You guys have been very helpful. Okay, this got my address on it, so let me cover that. Then I have some more bottles. It's Avent. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. I wasn't really sure what bottles to get, so I just got bottles that look familiar, that I've seen my parents use, or I've seen other people use, So I guess we're gonna see how the bottles are for the baby. I got this bottle warmer right here. It's a bottle warmer. It warms the milk. What else? It quickly warms milk, formula, and baby food jars. This will definitely come in handy. Yes. Gotta get a baby bottle warmer. So you don't have to put it in the pot just to warm it up. Put it in here. Then got some diapers. We need a lot of these. I'm gonna be cleaning a lot of stanky diapers. A lot of stanky diapers. A lot of stanky poops. You know what I mean? So I got the Honest diapers here. It's size 1. I gotta get some newborn ones because I have not gotten any newborn ones, but yep, size 1. They're supposed to be more on the natural side of things. I mean, not the natural side of things, but they're supposed to be like a more natural brand of diapers for babies. And that's what we want. We want natural, okay? Because this channel is all about, this channel is all about natural, okay? We're on the natural end of things. That includes me and the baby, all right? As much as possible. I need to get some newborn diapers because I don't have them, unfortunately. Gotta get some. And then I have this. The baby care basics. And everything I have is off Amazon. Yep. Who got him some little nail clippers, him little comb, him little brush, him little booger sucker upper. Yeah, looks like the boogers out of it. So he can breathe. Then I got a baby wrap carrier. It is a teal color. Yeah, it's a teal color. Ooh. But yeah, I figured this would be better than having to like carry him on my hip all the time. You know, why not just put him in a baby carrier? And it'll be more convenient to like do things around the house, you know, or if I'm out shopping somewhere, you know, it'll just be a lot easier to do things a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And I got some more bottles, more anti-colic or colic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah. And I got a few things in this box over here. I have a bottle cleaner brush, and a little brush just to clean the bottles. Then I got a little teether toy, you know, when he starts teething. You know, you can put these in the freezer so they can, you know, freeze up. Soothe his little gums and all that. And then I also got some pacifiers. Got like 5 in here. Yeah, got some pacifiers. And then, okay, this is kind of big, so I don't even know if I can pick this up. 1 second. Okay. And we have this. This is a bathtub. You know, it grows with him. You know, 0 to 3 to 9 to 24 months. So I can have this for a while and wash him up in it. Yep, it's a grow with me bathtub. Yep. All right, and then I got the Control Flow Rinser. Yeah. This, you know, pour the water in there, then it helps to, you pour the water in here and, you know, you can control how much water is being poured on the baby. You know, because we don't want to put too much water on him and have him feeling uncomfortable, okay? You don't want to be uncomfortable. We got some little washcloths. They're made of bamboo material. And then got him a little towel with a little elephant. I thought this was cute. And then we got some little wash rags in here. Got some little wash rags. I also have something else over here, but that might be, it's gonna be another part to this video because I'm definitely gonna have more things to show you guys. But let's show you some of his clothes. All right, him got some little booties. Nothing with the booties. But his little feetsies. And then he got, you know, some little, yeah. this I didn't get this. That was my boyfriend's doing, you know. Yeah, we're not gonna get into that. But that's his first little sports outfit, I guess. Yeah. We got some little onesies here. The onesie. Him got a onesie. Yeah, I got some onesies. But yeah, a lot of my stuff was donated. I do have a lot of donated stuff. And that's a good thing. Like, if you can find someone that can give you like stuff that they don't use anymore, you know, that maybe they didn't use, that is a great way to get a lot of things that you need and also save money at the same time, you know. Got this one, Reebok, little Reebok onesie. I'll show you guys a few of them. Oh, got this one, little feetsies, little feetsies. I'll show you guys a couple more. We got this one. Yeah, I do plan to get some more stuff for him pretty soon. Then we got this one. It's got little deers on it. I think those are deer. Yeah, those are little deers. Little fawns. 2-piece set. No. Got little bears on it. Got the bears. The bears. Yeah. Little teddy bears. Little teddy bears. But that's all for this mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos as always, okay? Because there's gonna be more, all right? I have more things I would like to show you guys, things I want to do. I just hope you guys continue to watch and tune in. Side note, I will still be doing natural hair videos. It's just that I'm going into a different chapter in my life. So I am incorporating my little one now into my channel. So you'll see him a little bit here and there, okay? And I just want to bring you guys into my world a little bit and what I've got going on. So I just hope you guys just ride along on this journey with me into motherhood. And yeah, that's all I gotta say, folks. That's all, folks. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Hey, it's Nia on the beat, making these videos about to be heat. Stay tuned, and I love TV.